Hey, Steve Basic Architect. So, continuing our mill tour, we just talked about the grinding station there and honing station. You can see stones come out here and they are nice and clean and nice. Baby's bottom surface. But looky here. You see the camera up there? So what that camera is doing is it's taking images of that slab, because this is actually a cutting machine. So you can see inside there, it's basically a giant CNC machine. You can see the slab there has got a series of cuts on it where it's been cut into the sizes they need. But that camera comes over here and talks to this machine, and you can see how it optimizes all the cuts inside that panel, and then that information gets translated to the cutting head there, and you end up with some beautiful cut stone panels there. So yeah, this one doesn't get too fancy. It's pretty much all straight cuts, although they said they figured out a way to do octagons and hexagons.